You are listening to Aura's audio articles.
Greetings to our listeners. This is Aura's October issue, and you are listening to Children's Corner, The Crow and the Parrot by Ummu Ramees. This has been recorded by Fida Habib. What happened? Why are you inside the cage? Asked the crow. This is a punishment for being proud of my appearance. I feel so elated at seeing people appreciating me. I stay near the children for long, enjoying their cheers. Suddenly, one naughty guy caught me and put me in this cage. A lot of memories flashed in the mind of the crow on how the parrot used to make fun of her for being black, for not having a sweet voice, and doing scavenger's work around. Although she wanted to help the parrot come out of the cage, the crow could not do anything but watch her repeating the sounds made by the humans around. She just cawed in her rough voice and flew into freedom and enjoyment.
Thank you for listening to Aura's audio article. Send your feedback at editor@auramag.in, and to read more, subscribe to our website at auramag.in.